Conjugation of the verb to keep in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I keep. 2. Simple past, I kept. 3. Simple future, I will keep. 4. Present continuous, I am keeping. 5. Past continuous, I was keeping. 6. Future continuous, I will be keeping. 7. Present perfect, I have kept. 8. Past perfect, I had kept. 9. Future perfect, I will have kept. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been keeping. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been keeping. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been keeping. Conjugation of the verb to keep, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it keeps. 2. Simple past, he, she or it kept. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will keep. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is keeping. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was keeping. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be keeping. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has kept. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had kept. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have kept. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been keeping. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been keeping. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been keeping. Conjugation of the verb to keep, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they keep. 2. Simple past, you, we or they kept. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will keep. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are keeping. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were keeping. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be keeping. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have kept. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had kept. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have kept. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been keeping. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been keeping. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been keeping. Verb to keep forms. Present simple I, you, we, they keep. He, she, it keeps. Past simple kept. Past participle kept. Ing form keeping.